Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix customer review and rating not show in product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product page. Now go to WooCommerce setting and we are in WooCommerce setting and we are in product tab, and then you see we already enable review section. Enable product review, show verified owner. Review can only be left by verified owner. If you want, you can enable this option, so it's up to you. And then you see product rating, enable star rating on review. So this option is already enabled, but on product page review section not show. So we are going to display it. Now go to product pages. Now you see we are in product section. So this is all our product, and then you see movie downloadable product. So this is our product. Back to product page, and when we hover on it and then you see quick edit, so click on it, and then in quick edit you see enable review. So enable this option and then click on update. Now update done. Go to product page again and refresh the page. Now you see review section appear again on product page. So if customer review and rating not show and you already enable this option, so go to product pages, quick edit, and then you see enable review option. Enable this option and then click on update and your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.